Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So I've been looking to upgrade my home to more of a smart home, add some more smart functionality just to make my daily life a bit easier. And I've partnered with Ring on this video to basically show you some of their products, their alarm system, and how it all integrates with Amazon Alexa and how seamless and easy it is for anyone to set up. So let's get into it. So we'll start with some of the products that I'm going to set up first. One of the first ones being the Ring alarm system, basically a self-set-up alarm system that you can set up in your own home very easily, just to make sure that you can monitor your house and make sure there's no intruders pretty much. I've got the Ring stick-up camera as well, and this is again very easy to set up, very easy to use. There's no wires, it just powers completely by battery and it connects via Wi-Fi, 1080p video, motion activated, and it even has two-way talk, so you can talk to someone on the other end of the camera as well through your phone or whatever else. So yeah, pretty awesome. I've got the Ring video doorbell too, and I've been very keen to get my hands on one of these for a while now, mainly because sometimes I can't hear when someone knocks on the door. So yeah, this will be a nice addition to my smart home and making sure that whenever I have any packages for me, I'll be able to see who's at the door. And finally, I've got the Echo Show 8, which is more of an Amazon product rather than a Ring product, but because they all work very well together through Alexa, you know, I'll be able to monitor my camera through this, I'll be able to monitor my doorbell through this, and obviously I'll be able to use Alexa to do various things like control light bulbs and other various things like that. So now I'm going to set all of this up and show you how simple it is to get up and running. Okay, so that is the Ring alarm system now set up. It was very easy, very simple. The app pretty much guides you through everything, so you don't have to worry about too much. Once you made a Ring account and once you've set everything up, it's ready to go, and you can use the keypad just to arm or disarm the alarm itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now your home has its own alarm system, so you can make sure that your home is safe, you've got no intruders and stuff. I'd always recommend, of course, if you have other entryways, other sort of vulnerable places in the house, to get some other sensors, to get some other motion sensors, just to make sure all parts of your home are covered. So now let's get into setting up the camera and the doorbell. Getting the stick-up camera and the Ring video doorbell up and running, very easy, very smooth process. Again, the apps pretty much guide you through everything, getting it all set up, getting it all working, getting the motion sensitivity all working, all that sort of stuff. Installing the doorbell itself was also very easy for me, mainly because I have a wooden frame that goes around my door, and I simply just drilled it into that wooden frame. Amazon provide all the tools, all the things that you need to install it, so that was very easy. And I just love how you don't need to hire a professional, you don't need to hire an electrician or anything to do any of this sort of stuff. You can do all of this stuff yourself. I've also now got the Echo Show 8 all set up, and with the Echo Show 8, using Alexa, using the Ring video doorbell, the stick-up cam and the alarm system, I can have everything integrated all into one. So I can ask Alexa to show me the front door. I can ask Alexa to show me the stick-up cam. When someone is at the front door and they hit the Ring video doorbell, it'll tell me on the Echo Show 8. It'll also come up on my phone as well. Alexa, show me the front door.
Okay.
Alexa, show me the hallway camera.
Okay.
As well as the Echo Show 8 and Alexa being able to show me my Ring video doorbell and my stick-up cam, I can also control the heating in my house and the light bulbs in my house. So I have a smart thermostat by Tardo, and this smart thermostat controls the heating in my house. And I also have radiator valves. So for example, in my office, I have a radiator valve so that when I want heating in my house, just in the office, not in the rest of the house, because the office is where I spend the most time, I can do that. I can also use Alexa to control my LifeX light bulbs. So I have LifeX light bulbs throughout the house, have them in my living room, I have them in my office, and I can use that to control the bulbs. So, you know, I can change the color, I can turn them off and on, all that sort of stuff. So as an example, I've got my Echo Show 8 here, and I can just be like, Alexa, turn on the office lights.
Okay.
And you can see right now that they're green, but I can change the color. Alexa, turn the office lights to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the office lights to red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the office lights.
Okay.
So it all works very well and integrates very well too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks to Ring for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out the link in the description to find out more about their products. I'm really enjoying their products, and it's integrated very well into my smart home and making my home a bit smarter. So follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.